Pulling out of Hocking Hills here, and I just came across this. It's called the Hocking House. Not sure what it is, but it looked like a cool building, so maybe we can take a peek inside. Well, this is an art gallery. I just talked to the owner. It's not open just yet today, but just take a walk around and check out the old building. One thing I love about Ohio, one of the things is the landscaping here is different. I'm now used to the Florida plants and wildlife, but this is really nice. The colors and the property, this is really cool. Looks like they have all kinds of art here. Look at this guy. Says it was built in about 1837. Can't really see inside very well, the lights are off, but it is from what I can see, it's a pretty cool art studio. All kinds of little pottery pieces and some country trinkets. I love these side of the road attractions, especially in parts of the world that are off the beaten path, where it's not just on the main freeway, but definitely here, this is not a place where people pass by often, but it's cool to come across some cool places like this and meet new people. Well, here in the Kerr Shack mobile, and pulled up to an interesting place. We're gonna try to find a place to fly this cool kite. I'll show you later, but it doesn't look like kites are in the near future. It's pretty cloudy. So we stopped at this place. It's a casino, a brewery.
Oh man, I can't move it. Whatever. How would you ever know what that is?
Out here.
Okay.
Traveling through Ohio, sometimes you see some very interesting things. The road is closed because of that. Total flood. Road closed. When weather happens here, pretty much of any degree, there's always some publicity. Oh, just missed the helicopter there. It's big news around here. We're hanging out, doing some other stuff. The building I'm in used to be the Pickerington Creamery. Pickerington is just east of Columbus, a few miles, and got a pretty cool past here. It's a calendar from 1935. Some other cool advertisements they have here. Old egg carton doesn't look much different than they do today. Dry milk solids. Don't know what that is. I guess powdered milk. Gift cheese box. That's cool. No, it's a brewery. I'm gonna go check it out. First thing I'm gonna check out and see how much I weigh. Let's see. Got a pretty cool scale here. Well, this says I weigh 210 pounds, but that's not right. I don't know how to work this thing. It's a little. I know you've seen these at the doctor's office, and I know you're thinking, well, I know how to work that, but this is a little complicated. It doesn't quite do think. Weird one, but cool. Cool to see anyway.
Gotta take care and keep it on every day. I like to get some sleep before I travel. If you got a warrant, I guess you're gonna come in. Busted down a Merlin Street, set up like
Just wrapping up a long day with friends, getting kind of late. Not getting to any kite flying today. The rain just stopped here in central Ohio. And I actually forgot to bring my iFlight with me today, so lost out on some opportunities. But tomorrow there's some new adventures, some really fun things we're going to do tomorrow, so hopefully you're staying tuned, and very soon, big announcement from World's Greatest Kiting. But until then, happy flying.